Hi friends, full of forest, green trees, high hills, natural water flow, smoothie sounds, all are at one place with beautiful nature wonder, Raikal Waterfalls. It is in between Warangal urban and Karimnagar districts at Saidapuram forest. A few people know about it. In this video, I am showing you how to reach it. I and my friend Vijay went to see the waterfalls in his car. We used Google route map. The waterfalls is about 160 kilometers, 4 hours journey. We started our journey from Jubilee bus station on Karimnagar highway at 9 am. In Siddipet at Mulkanur, we took right turn to Siddipet Hosnabad road. Then went to Vangara, which is the native village of former Prime Minister P.V. Narasimha Rao. We took left turn there. Then we reached Raikal village. If we go 3 kilometers towards south, there is a water pond. We can park vehicles there. From here, go half kilometer into forest by trekking. There we can see the beautiful waterfalls. But we thought that the car may not go there. We stopped it in Raikal village. Then the ward member Prakash Garu was coming across. He is very nice person. He took us on his bike to the waterfalls. He drove very well on mud roads without creating any problems to us. He told his village history that there is a police station from 1931. Soon it will be the police outpost, so it will give full security to tourists. After going 3 kilometers on mud road, we saw the pond. It is with clean pure water and vast meadows around. This place was so beautiful with greenish nature. Now we went into forest behind Prakash Garu.
ఆయనకి అలవాటు కదా ఓకే
Full of greenery. We listen pure water flow sounds there. It is 170 feet high waterfalls with pure water free flowing. Water is flowing in 5 directions. We like it so much. See this beauty with my camera. No food or drinking water available here at present. Telangana government is planning to develop it as a tourist destination. We spent half an hour here and enjoyed a lot. Then Prakash Karu brought us back to Raikal village. He showed us cute school and surroundings. We said thanks to him and his friends and started return journey at 3 pm. This is all about Raikal Waterfalls. We can go into car until near forest. There were already 2 cars. We saw them in return journey. If you feel good with this video, please like and share it. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye.